destination. And here is your host, Esther J. Thomas.
My name is Barry Simon, and you're tuned to Island Rhythms. Keep it.
Welcome to the Best of the Best press conference. Memorial Weekend, one of the biggest, baddest weekends in Florida. Make sure you're here. Memorial Weekend, Sunday, May 25th. It's going to be a day. Video bomb. Video bomb. None other than the beautiful Naisha. Naisha, you guys did a splendid job tonight at press conference. We enjoyed ourselves. We had people stopping through like Honorable Itana. Much more to come. Stick and stay for Island Rhythms. We're going to be bringing you clips of last year's Best of the Best. And of course, you heard it right here yourself, where they told you Barris Hammond brought the house down. Elephant Man taught us new dances. And there's going to be so much more. I'm so excited for Best of the Best. Sunday, May 25th. Stick and stay. I'm Diva J. We'll be right back with more Island Rhythms.
Hey, this is Honorable. And make sure you know it's the Best of the Best coming up. And stay tuned for highlights from last year. Honorable, Mother Rebel, argument of government. Live big, you dig, cool breeze. Represent.
Hey. 21. You know them. You know them. Conscience my name. We not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. Step on me can and say.
It's awesome. I love it. Great experience.
On the back of long talking. Something, do something, do something, do something, do something, do something. And the back of long talking. Big up, just do something, do something, do something, do something.
You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your heads, my brothers. Be conscious, my sisters. And by your works you shall surely be paid. Never can to miss the man with the anger, the one who's got. Saw you last night and told you how much I love you. You didn't believe a single word I said. Oh, boy. Come today, you gonna believe me. Gonna squeeze your hand, show you I care. Only promise me you'll never hurt me, darling. Oh, boy. Oh, don't hurt my feeling. Don't do that to me now, darling. Oh, don't hurt my feeling.
That just means that ain't play. She loves me now, and I must admit to feel the same. Listen, early one Sunday morning, as I took up my paper and decided to read. Phone rang.
40 years and still going strong. Fourth District of Miami. Legendary reggae superstar, Hugh Barris Hammond. Round of applause for the legendary Barris Hammond.
Y'all if you toast touch, me no like you. If you can't mash hands, me no like you. You can't defend yourself, me no like you. And me no love y'all where is if you frighten them. Hey. Y'all fit on up in a dance and wind up your body like a sure so your body not drop off. Y'all when afraid if I y'all this, you are this your friend. So starting from Jamaica now the whole world. It's about time. And don't let everybody online.
put it down fine. Put it down fine, it's a more than time. That hand down to everybody you online. Shut the man is with your foot them 2 times. Put the body here, alright, put it down fine. Put it down fine.
I'm okay, because me clean every day. Clocks and my beat me change 3 times a day. Buy out any bar, cause me have money fi pay. You know it's a rasta not stray. I'm okay. For look a girl, me not shy. Money stack and pipe straight up to the sky. Batman serious, me not tell a lie. Me not turn no GUI. I'm I couldn't hear them a stop. Dig up the sign, make you plant up the crop. All ganja man, you know how me a chat. The other day me police stop. Them say Beanie Man, me a some of the ride and crash. Bounty go to jail, but him just come back. Chupa put it for YouTube, I hear thing that. My career them not stop. I'm okay, because me clean every day. Clocks and my beat me change.
People, all who say one of the best of the best is we are gonna flank some.
It's best of the best, and I'm hanging out with some of the best. Honorable is here with me tonight, and I'm so excited. Always an honor to have this man in my party this evening.
Well, me just stay up on the gully side boardhouse and sing fences and the trenches.
Yeah. So you gully?
Well, yeah. Good talk.
Looking good. Now I know so many people excited to see him. I know I am. Tell us, what are some of the things you have in store for us? You've been around for a long time. You're still in the game. So tell us what's coming up, what's new, what you have going on.
Well, I just recently signed another record deal with Planet Records Europe / Warner Brothers. And, you know, we have the #1 song right now in Ibiza, which is Reason to Live. And it's an EDM track. And it climbed in the charts in Italy. And the second single would be Caribbean Dream. And we have a French version with the biggest French artist, Colonel Royale. And we're doing it. I just recently today, a single reggae, authentic, organic reggae music. UFO is entitled the name of the single. And we have the video also. So look out for the video everywhere, you know. We're doing it.
Well, you know how we do at Island Rhythms. We don't look out for the video. We get the video, and we're going to be bringing that to you. That's for sure. So I'm going to do my work, ladies. I'm going to do my work, and I'm going to talk to Honorable to make sure that we get that video so we can put it on so you guys can get a quick look at it, okay?
Most definitely.
Now, on Best of the Best, you've done so many concerts, too many to mention. What do you think sets Best of the Best apart from all the other music festivals?
Well, to be honest with you, because you have so many different, you know, artists that brings different flavor and over the world just for Best of the Best. But I must tell you this, I am not going to be on the Best of the Best. I will be under the audience. I will be at the soccer match. You understand me?
But listen, he will be at the Best of the Best. You never know. With the Best of the Best, let me tell you how things work. Sometimes you have artists that just pop up, they show through, and then something in them can't help it, and they pop up on stage. So maybe we might have like a little slide through from Honorable.
I haven't confirmed yet. We never know what can happen. Well, this is the first year I'm not going to be on tour during that period of time. So that's why I'm able to even do the soccer match that weekend, that Memorial weekend. So it's a pleasure for me to be, you know, in Miami, my hometown, for that particular time.
Well, you know, it's a pleasure for Florida to have you. We love when you're home. We know when you're touring and you're working. It's work. But you love what you do, and we admire that. We can see that in the work that comes out, the work that you put out. We see how much you love what you do. And it's always an honor to have you in Florida. Now, for those of you that don't know, Ibiza is one of the biggest party places that you can go to in Europe. So to have a single in Ibiza is massive. Like, that is ginormous. So that's a big step. That's a big step.
Thank you very much. And it's just a pleasure right now for me to be in your presence because, you know, I always admire your work, you know. So I'm a big fan. You understand me? And I need to share something out there with the people in your audience. I need to let them know that don't change your TV station when this a program on. You can't change it. You understand me? And make sure so you request all the Honorable video them. Everything Bogar. Make sure you request them.
I love this man. Look at me. I'm blushing. I'm black and I'm blushing. promise you guys that we're going to have that for you. And, of course, we're going to have clips of the video coming up. And let me tell you something. If he puts it out there, it's going to be a party. So stay tuned for more Island Rhythms. We'll be right back.
Listen. Telephone ring. And a ping. Every means of communication, she a try everything. When she finally get contact, she want to know when me a go come back. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, and my is calling.
Of course, it's Best of the Best press conference and a lovely surprise. The beautiful, the strong Etana is here with us this evening, just sliding on through. And I have the pleasure of talking to her tonight. And of course, you guys know when I'm around her, I can't help but blush. It's an honor to be in her presence. Etana, lovely to have you here with us this evening.
As always, thanks for having me. Liz.
Radiant as always, looking gorgeous as ever. Recently, you guys saw the video of Etana's new music, and the video was very touching. Did you have anything to do with your new video that you just did with trying to remember the Marley?
Oh, Stephen Marley, son Joe Mercer.
Joe Mercer.
I wanted the video to be about Jamaica. I wanted it to be about the people of Jamaica. I wanted it to start from the airport and go all the way to the country. We even got Ninja Man show and left Ninja Man show and went right back to Kingston during the video.
It was a beautiful video, and if you haven't seen it, you can log on to YouTube on her Vivo channel and see that. And if you click on Island Rhythms, that link is always also there, so you can take a look at it. It embodies and embraces the bright and sunny side of Jamaica and what the real truth of it, what the struggles are, you see, but you also see the happiness of the people. It's a very intricate video, so take a good look at it. One of my favorite songs from you recently is Trigger. There's no explanation for it. Tell me a little bit about how you came up with that.
You know, it's about the real struggles of life in Jamaica. And I say in Jamaica because, lightly, because it's not just in Jamaica, it's across the world, right? That people face struggles every day. But this is about somebody who chose to do something negative or something society doesn't accept to help his mother who's dying. That's what it's about, really. It shows the other side. Why would somebody think to do something negative?
And the song, if you have to listen to the words, and let me tell you something, download it, pay for it, it's worth it. Download it and pay for it. You're not going to regret it. It's an awesome song. The writing, it's so detailed. The words of the song are so detailed. So you have to run out and get that song. I can't wait for Best of the Best. Of course, as you know, we announced that Etana is going to be at Best of the Best. And let me tell you something. If you haven't seen her in the Raw, I think this is going to be the opportunity for that. So come out to Best of the Best. We're expecting Etana there, and I'm so excited about that.
I'm sure I'm going to have fun. Make sure you're there because I'll be there. Follow me on Twitter, Etana Strong One, ETANASTRONGONE, or Facebook, ONEETANA. Make sure you're there because make sure I'm telling you, every step I make, even my outfit, everything is going to be there.
And I can't wait. We're going to be following it, so make sure that you do. Stay tuned for Best of the Best coming up. It's going to be a mad time. We're going to have a blast. We love you. Stick and stay for more Island Rhythms.
Every day I rise on a prayer. It's all I got to take me through. Yeah. I know one day I must and I will. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Free myself from everything that No fear, no protection by the Most High. Yeah. What's that? La da 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 dee da da da. I see them coming out to my soul, wanting to take control, wanna give me lust, wanna give me fame, wanna give me all the material. I hear them talking about what the word has done. Don't you see what we have done to them and why to us? Jesus and I am afraid. But I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid. If them come when them come, I'm protected by both sides. When your father hide and can't pay your bills on time, you're prostituting and standing in a them government line. No, when you waste your time coming up with some stupid rhyme, influencing the youth and start the line on
Of course, it's Best of the Best, and we're in one of the hottest spots in Miami. We are located at Cafe Iguanas. Now, you guys know when you hear Cafe Iguanas, it's synonymous to DJ Fergie, one of the best Caribbean DJs around. And of course, with me is the man himself. This man has been in the game for a very, very long time. He has done works acting, musically, DJing. He is the man, and he's here with me today. How are you, my darling?
I'm lovely, sweetie, as you can see, and you love yourself. Well, you right now, we are at Best of the Best, 8th annual, and we are here at the big press. And right now, I'm going to tell you, I'm surrounded by beauty. Look at my left, look at my right.
Look around you.
Beauty. And I want to tell you, Best of the Best have a lot of room to improve. And it's doing very good at this moment. And for 2014, I'm one of the main hosts for Best of the Best. And you can't get better than that. So I want everyone to come out and support Best of the Best because it's a good show. And last year, my biggest performance, what I love, Barry Salmon.
Of course. Now, everybody loves them some berries, and it's amazing because the Caribbean community, as well as internationally, we never get tired of seeing berries. So if Barris is going to be there, you know, of course, everybody's going to be there. So we can't wait to see you. And these lovely girls are probably going to be bonuses. So stick and stay for more Island Rhythms because you'll probably get a bonus at the end of the show.
And don't forget, Island Rhythm, shatter by blood, not by relation. So keep it locked to Island Rhythm, Miami Puff Daddy, a.k.a. Gussie, Screecher Bob, shatter by blood. Keep it locked to Island Rhythm. Island Rhythm, shatter by blood. Don't change that dial. Stay tuned for more clip for Best of the Best 2014.
Are you ready?
Dropping down in my soul, I'm losing all control. And I can't find this feeling of don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. The way you make me feel, broke down in my soul. I'm in control. Everything I
Some people want them to get us.
We're back. Best of the Best press conference live at Iguanas. We're having a blast. The drinks are pouring. I'm having a good time. Trying to keep my hair in order. You know how that goes. With me is this lovely lady who is doing a lot of public relations work for Best of the West. What an honor it was to listen to her on stage, giving the press kudos. That was an honor, really touching, and it's great to have you with us tonight. Tell us your name.
Candace Haynes.
Who would you say was one of your best performances last year at Best of the Best?
Last year, I gotta say, hands down, Elephant Man. He rocked the stage.
Let me tell you something. Elephant Man was climbing on rafters. Climbing on rafters, picking people up. I mean, like big people. I mean, you have to be there to see and experience the madness that is Elephant Man.
He'll be back this year, and I'm so excited because you never know what to expect with Elephant Man.
I'm wondering what color his hair is going to be, what he's going to be wearing. You know, and if you know Elephant Man, he's always creating a new dance. So we're all waiting to see what that is. And if you want to know what it is, stick and stay for clips from last year of Best of the Best. We'll be bringing you that. Don't turn the channel, I promise. It's going to be mad.
Summer, this is the best of the best. When it's on me, You represent the woman then. You represent the... You're not
Thank you for sticking and staying with Island Rhythms through the Best of the Best press conference. We hope to see you at Best of the Best Memorial Weekend, Sunday, May 25th. See you there. I'll be there, and it's going to be a blast. We're going to have a lot of fun.
Can I see everybody wave your imaginary glass in there like this? If you drink your imaginary glass, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, Can I see you with your imaginary glass in there? I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking, I'm drinking,
Thank you for watching Island Rhythms with your host, Esther J. Thomas. Join us next time for your Caribbean cultural destination on Island Rhythms.